Good morning, 2027. Today, we are going to start outlining our informational essay. And I just wanted to name that if you are watching this right now and you are in Group A, if you feel like you need help with outlining and it's a new concept for you and you would benefit from being with a teacher, feel free to join the Group B class. So if you're in Duke A and you want to come, you can come at 9 o'clock. If you're in Cal A and you want to be in live class, come at 10:05. And if you're in Northwestern A and need help, come at 12 o'clock. And now that we have that announcement, you might be asking, why are we outlining? Well, outlining is like mapping. Without a map, we go in circles, we miss turns, and we waste time. So we need to make an outline, just like we need to make sure our map is ready before drafting. The way we outline for an essay is by using the acronym HOT-RE-RE-TOE. Go ahead and say that out loud. HOT-RE-RE-TOE. So each of the HOT-RE-RE-TOE stands for a different paragraph of the informational essay. The first paragraph is the introduction, as you can see here if you're drawing an outline. The introduction is marked by HOT. 3 sentences, H is a hook, O is an overview, and T is the thesis with the 3 reasons, which should be very familiar because you wrote that on Thursday. After the introduction are 3 body paragraphs that are supported by the reasons you have in your thesis. So notice here, reason and reason. And after the first sentence, the reason, you have additional sentences for each paragraph, which is evidence and explanation. So REE, reason, evidence, explanation. That should sound very familiar. The REE paragraph is exactly the same as the CEE paragraph. The reason why we say REE is because the reason is the claim, and that claim comes from the reasons in your thesis. The very last paragraph of a HOT-RE-RE-TOE outline is the conclusion. And the conclusion contains the thesis that you had in your introduction, a different overview, and a wish for the world. So throughout your entire KIPP careers, all the way through 8th grade, you're going to be using HOT-RE-RE-TOE to outline any informational and argumentative essay that you come across. So now, let's go ahead and practice with our Wonder Woman and Mulan theses. This is the outline you will use to draft your Wonder Woman and Mulan essay. Let's look at the directions. The first is to open your Thursday, January 7th assignment, which is a Google Doc titled Creating Your Thesis. Number 2, you're going to use the Creating Your Thesis document to follow the directions that are highlighted in yellow. So everything that's yellow, I'm going to follow the directions and I'm going to complete it. And it says here that anything that reads the gray, leave this blank for now. Just literally leave it blank. So you can see that because we're just starting, I actually created the outline for you. So I created the outline. I have the HOT-RE-RE-RE-TOE. I mean, because we're in 6th grade, we're doing re rather than re. Sounds funny. And you're just going to fill in the yellows for now. So it says here, next to hook, leave this blank for now. So I'm not going to do anything there. O, overview, leave this blank for now. Not going to do anything. And then T, thesis, delete these words and copy and paste from Thursday, January 7th, creating your thesis. So what I will do is I will go back to that document to find my thesis. And if I'm using Jack Ease as an example, the thesis is written here in the red box, literally where it says my thesis. All I would do is I would copy that and I would return to my outline and I'd paste here.